Congratulations, you have reached the end of Camtasia Tutorial Series. You now have everything you need to create, edit, and publish professional videos. Keep learning, creating. Make sure that you play your video from start to end and look at your canvas and ensure that everything is displayed correctly. If not, you go to your timeline and you make the necessary corrections and changes. So after that, you go to export. Now, Camtasia, you can export directly to YouTube, Vimeo, and the rest. All that you have to do is you have to sign in. So let's click the local file, and then so it has given you the dimensions and everything here. Let's go. Let's select the MP4 Smart Player. If it was to be audio, it is the audio that will be selected automatically. So this ones, let's leave it like that. Now here, if you select include watermark, in your case, it will be the Camtasia watermark. So let's go to options. Let me show you how you can change that. And then you click on this. It will take you to your computer where you have that picture you want to use. Always the picture must be a PNG picture format. That is, it has no background. You can also change the position, where you want to place the logo in the video. You click on OK. Then you go to next. So you give it a name. And then when you give it a name, you click on finish. So when you click on finish, it will be rendering the video. So that is it. Now we've talked about the setup for the preferences. Make sure that your final video that will be saved, you keep a backup of your project file. That is, you save it in the Camtasia work format so that I can come back and do the necessary editing. Congratulations. Now, on the next episode, we are moving on to the pro level, which is the advanced level, which is for free. So let's meet in module 6.